How to connect Exness to Myfxbook. Step 1. First, log into your Exness personal area. Make sure your account is on MetaTrader 4. Myfxbook works best with MT4. You'll need 3 things. First, your MT4 login number. Second, the server name. And last, your investor password. If you don't have an investor password, go to your MT4 account settings and create one. Step 2. Open myfxbook.com and log in. Go to the Portfolio tab and click Add Account. Step 3. Select MetaTrader 4, then choose Investor Password method. Enter the details like account's name, broker, server, login, and investor password. Step 4. Click Create Account. Myfxbook will now start syncing your trading data. This may take 1 to 5 minutes depending on activity. Once done, you'll see a green verified badge next to your account. If not, double check your server and investor password. And that's it!